Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Android phone to a ROVE R2-4K dashcam. Let's get started. So first thing that we need to do is download the correct app for your phone. Okay, so to do that, let's go now to the Play Store for your Android. Then on the search box, type in ROVE, that's R-O-V-E. And then click on Go or Search. It should be the first icon at the top with a blue color. Tap on it and then go ahead and install it. Now this would take a few seconds, so let's be patient on this. Right now we're at 90+%. Then after this, it will be installing, as you can see now, and a few more seconds and it should be ready. Okay, here we go. Now let's make sure that it's installed properly. So let's go to where your icons are, and there you go, there's the ROVE app. So next step would be basically turning on the camera's Wi-Fi. Okay, so there are two ways to do this. One is by going to the system settings and then go to Wi-Fi and then turn it on from there. Okay, you would know it's on because you would actually see the Wi-Fi information on the screen. Okay, so let's disconnect from the Wi-Fi now, and then let's turn it back on again by doing the second way. That's pressing the emergency lock button for 2 seconds, and it's basically just the same thing. Now that the Wi-Fi is on the camera, let's go to your phone and connect to the camera's Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's go to do your phone settings, and that's basically the gear icon on your phone. Okay, then go to Wi-Fi and then tap on the ROVE network. Then type in password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then hit on join. Then there you go, it's connected. There's a check mark on the connection already, so that means it's connected. So let's go now to the ROVE app, open it up, and then just make sure you allow everything that you actually would see on the screen of the phone. Okay, this will ensure that the phone is communicating with the camera. So hit on allow, and there you go, your phone is connected. So that's how easy it is to connect your phone to the ROVE R2-4K dashcam. I hope this was helpful. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you for choosing ROVE.